How to order Bank of America checks. Welcome to Purple Circuit and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to get yourself Bank of America mobile application or just visit the website of Bank of America. Sign in to your Bank of America online banking or your mobile banking app. Look for the section labeled as Order Checks. Depending upon your application update, you can click on the account option and select the option of order checks and deposit tickets. When you tap on it, you'll be able to browse and choose your desired check style, personalize it, and complete the order process. If you have already ordered before, you can just tap on reorder these checks to save you some time and hassle. By this way, you'll be able to easily order up Bank of America check. However, if this is not possible to you, you can even visit the nearby bank branch of your Bank of America. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.